Did somebody say double lipping? It was me. That's an Evo 9, a sus Evo 9. Now that right there is a Project Aero front splitter for said Evo 9. Well, let's put it on. This will be the third car we've done, Project Aero front splitter. We did Raid 7, we did Dan 7, now we're doing the 9. So without further ado, let's jack this thing up, stick it on. This should be OEM fitment, so we shouldn't even have to drill anything. This is probably gonna be a 5-minute video. Damn, that's fatty. Oofed. That looks fat as hell. Got these spacers which come in the hardware kit, the black things. I've had this thing for like 6 months, probably longer, and this is the first time I've ever used it. We have a slight problem, as it turns out. This thing seems to be in the way. So there are some little tabs up here. So let's see if we can pull this thing out, because that's not going to sit flush. You seeing what I'm meaning? Oh, that fell off by popping the 3 clips out. However, there's still a bit sticking down here and a bit sticking down just there. Looks like it's got these little rivets in them, but they kind of have like little clips on the top. So I'm just going to see if I can pop these parts out. This may have been easier just by pulling our lip off, but anyway, let's solder on, see how we go. This has been a pain, so I'm going to pull the lip off, and then I'm going to work out how to pull the other bits off, and then I'm going to put that on while the lip's off, and then I'm going to put the whole thing back up in the car, mate. So there's just a bunch of Phillips heads at the back, so let's get that thing off. Voila. So as you can see, essentially it doesn't sit flush because of all these bits that stick up. So let's see if we can get rid of them. Goodbye. Well, that made a right mess of things. Put him down like that. Move you back here. Hang on a fucking minute. All those tabs to bolt him on are on that thing. Not all of them, but some of them. Now let me work this out. Essentially, I think this one is meant to really fit the OEM S1 lip, which I have up there, but it's shit, so that's staying up there. So essentially, most of the holes that I thought we were going to use are actually on them. See those tabs? Let me get you a close up. Those tabs I thought it was going to bolt to, but now they're gone. So now what I'm thinking is I'm just gonna line up that with that hole there, that with that hole there, because that looks pretty Mickey Mouse. And then just drill holes for the rest of them like we've done every other install. You can see, if we were to have this piece still on, all these holes line up, right? Gotcha, copy 1, 2. However, because of that mad edge on there, how far it sticks up, it wouldn't sit flush. So the options, I guess, were either trim that down or get rid of this thing, which obviously we've decided to do, because I think I'd rather just have to redo rivets if I ever need this again, rather than having that trimmed down. Not that that would probably matter, but now really I'm going to just be making my own bolt holes, which is fine because this stuff drills easy. So yeah, let's just put them 2 in and see how we're looking. That's fatty, but look at that, god dang. That's Mickey Mouse, mate. But that's what we ended up with. It's solid now. We've got one in the end, which we didn't have to drill. No, we did have to drill. We did have to drill that. One there, 4 there, one there, one there, and one there. All of these except those that we drilled, and those two. Those 6 we didn't drill, the rest we did. We just utilized the holes where the rivets were, and now it's looking solid. I'm gonna have to use low profile ramps now because the jack only just fit under the lip before. So now, because we've got an extra 20 mil on it also, we're running them. God damn. God damn. That's angry, man. That looks so beefy right now. I'm gonna pull it out in the sun real quick. Wow, that is so much more lip. Damn, that looks like completed. Look how angry that is now. God damn, son. Oofed. I wonder if I can get out my driveway. Look how much it adds to it. Wow. Oh, that's just about it. It looks mad. It was a little bit more work than I thought getting it on there, but that's all good. It's on. It looks mad. There's another look. Goddamn. It looks balanced now, I feel. Car looks balanced. Because, you know, we had the skirt extension. We didn't have anything in the front. Now it looks Mickey Mouse. Shout out to Project Aero. Go pick one up. They're Australian. We like that. I'm walking around my garage lost. That's the end of it. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.